TypeScript Compiler. TypeScript is transpiled into JavaScript using a compiler. TypeScript being converted into JavaScript means it runs anywhere that JavaScript runs. Installing the compiler. TypeScript has an official compiler which can be installed through npm. Configuring the compiler. By default, the TypeScript compiler will print a help message when run in an empty project. The compiler can be configured using a tsconfig JSON file. You can have TypeScript create tsconfig JSON with the recommended settings with. You can open the file in an editor to add those options. This will configure the TypeScript compiler to transpile TypeScript files located in the src directory of your project into JavaScript files in the build directory. This is one way to quickly get started with TypeScript. There are many other options available, such as a Create React App template, a Node Starter project, and a Webpack plugin. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.